Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Douglas Fancini and I'm sharing my studies for this Cisco exam. The code is 350-401, the Encor, also known as the CCNP and CCIE Enterprise Core. For this, I'm using the section Do I Know This Already? The Do I Know This Already quiz allows you to assess whether you should read the entire chapter. If you miss no more than one of these self-assessment questions, you might want to move ahead to the exam preparation tasks section. So let's go there.
Chapter 12.
Question number 1. Transit routing between a multi-homed enterprise network and a service provider is generally not recommended in which scenarios? Choose all that apply. And these are the correct answers because they are not recommended in this case, okay? This is generally accepted only between data center connecting to MPLS. A short explanation for you guys. So question number 1, correct answers are A, B, and D. Transit routing for enterprises is generally acceptable only for data centers connecting to MPLS networks. Question number 2. True or false? An extended ACL used to match routes changes behavior if the routing protocol is an IGP rather than BGP. And as you guys can see, this is true. IGPs use destination field and it can change. So question number 2, correct answer is letter A. IGPs use the destination field to select the smallest prefix length, whereas BGP uses it to match the subnet mask for a route. Question number 3, which network prefixes match the prefix match pattern 10.168.0.0/13 greater or equal 24? This is important. Choose 2. Well, as you can see, these are the correct answers. Greater or equal 24. This is very important to take note when you are going to answer this question. So greater and equal are these prefixes. And for you to better understand this question, if you have your cert guide, take a look at this figure 12.6 so you can understand a little bit more about this, okay? Question number 4. What is the correct regular expression syntax for matching a route that originated in AS 300. For you to answer this, you must know these symbols. Each of these symbols is part of the correct syntax. And what is a correct syntax? Is a correct form for you to type a command or for you to write a line. In this case, you must know what will cause a matching for a route that originated in AS 300. And this is not so easy for you to understand if you don't practice, if you don't memorize. So let's go on the answer. For this, we have only originated from AS 300 with this symbols here. In the beginning, the underscore, and at the end, this dollar sign, okay? And for we to understand better this question, let's go to this table. That is the table 12 from chapter 12, the number 6, okay, for this explanation. Take a look at this. Exactly what we saw in the question, that is this underscore in the beginning and dollar sign at the end, is this one, this example. For you to write your ACL, permit, underscore, the AES number, and the dollar sign, only routes originating from this AES number which you typed in the middle of the command. For example, here in the middle of the line of your ACL, okay? So if you want a route that originated in AS 300, only, okay, only 300 AS 300, you must type like this. So underscore and $sign. Only routes originating from AS 200 in this case, 300 in this case, or whatever you type on your command.